What is up, everyone? I'm doing a raw video for you today. I hope you enjoy. This is a video, a duplicate of the exact same very first YouTube video I did that says I'm starting a home-based business, a rental company from my home, and this is how I'm doing it, and this is how you can do it too. So you can check out that video right here, or you can click on it at the end. But let's visit a year later and see where I'm at. Okay, so I'm still doing quotes at my kitchen table. And in my past video, I used to have a sign there where people would come out and they would see the front of the business. And I had a little drop-off area right back here with a camera that could motion sense when they were coming. But I eliminated all of that because it was hard. I wouldn't say it was hard, but it was kind of like a violation of my privacy. So I'm still doing quotes at my desk. Run down into my basement here. I keep all my photo booths at nice room temperature, so I've got a little electronics room here. It's a little messy right now, sorry. But this is where I store all my photo booths and stuff. So when someone comes to pick up a photo booth, I then bring it out to the garage and they can come get it from there. So let's go back to the fun part. This is my garage right here. So let's enter my company. All right, so turn the light on. So this is the garage. I don't know if I can show you last year's clip, but it's changed in 10 months. So it was last October that I made the video, and it is now almost July, so 10 months ago. And basically when someone books, I shoot them this picture that I'll show you right there. And it instructs them when they roll up, they see my business, they can text upon arrival, and then I'll already have the rentals in piles waiting for them either here or inside the C-can. So the C-can here, it's locked right now. If customers need to drop off and I'm not around, I send them this message right here so that they can do an after hours drop off. And then there's a little thing that holds the key for the C-can here. I just put in the code. Here, I'll show you the code. You want to see the code? Here's the code. That's the code. You like that? So they go in and there's the key for the C-can. And unlock the door here. And they go in and they can drop off their rentals. And then they send me a text message saying the rentals are dropped off, and I say, awesome, have a great day. And so this is my updated little rental company. I've got a little trailer that I hook to the back of my van. And yeah, do you want to go for a tour inside there? Let's take a tour. I finally got it a little bit organized, so let's do it. Okay guys, here's the space. So the garage, we've got tent installing gear, and then I've got 10 by 10 tents there, 10 by 20. These are kind of all my pole tent stuff here. Tables and chairs and lights and speakers and electronics, and those are my love letters. And come around this way, and I've got children swimming. And yeah, this is my updated rental space. So as you can see, my growth in 10 months has been tremendous. So it all seemed kind of dumb, and I didn't know how I was going to make it work 10 months ago. And just persistence helped me prevail. So okay, so this part of the video is kind of funny because 10 months ago I was sitting on the edge of my bed here, and I was like, okay, well, I started this YouTube channel from my home, and I was following everything that these two guys who I don't even know channel just to start this, and they're like Tent Guy and other entrepreneur stuff and Gorth Balian. And yeah, so I went on about that, saying like big shout out to them, and I was like so scared, but this is my real shout out to them now. Thank you so much tent guy. So go check out Tent Guy and other entrepreneur stuff. He is like the true tent guru. I'm just doing it on a small scale, and he shows you everything that a tent company has. He is wonderful. And Gorth Balian, go check out Gorth Balian's channel. I follow everything that he does. Pretty much, I just follow everything that he does. And I have become quite successful in my own way because of Gorth Balian. So go head over to those channels and take what you can from my channel, of course. But if you grow past me, or if you're already way more advanced than what I am here, then go check out their channels, because they're both in commercial spaces and they're doing things a lot differently than me. I know this is still not very much, and you people with your big rental companies, it's nothing compared to you. But I'm working hard, and there's lots of people out there on YouTube who are watching my videos just to see my progress, and I'm gonna give tips and tricks for the little guy. So the guy like me, starting from his garage from nothing to try and make a footprint in the rental industry. So thanks for watching. Sub to the channel if you haven't. If you've watched a couple of my videos and you like it, it would be great if you subscribe. You stay classy.